Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove Shopify add to cart button on a Shopify page. So first go to the online store, click themes in your Shopify admin. From here, click on the actions drop down menu for the theme you want to edit and select edit code. In the template directory, look for product, liquid file and open it. Once you have opened the product.liquid file, look for the line of code that says product.metafields.productPage.metafields. This is the line of code that displays the Add to Cart button on your product page. To remove this button, simply delete this line of code or replace it with something else. If you want to remove the Add to Cart button using an app from the Shopify App Store, there are a few different apps you can choose from. One popular option is Remove Add to Cart Buttons by Hextom. This app allows you to remove the Add to Cart button from specific products, collections, or your entire store. Another popular option is Product Options by Bold Apps. This app allows you to create custom product options and add them to your products. You can also use this app to remove the Add to Cart button from specific products or collections. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.